Hey guys, Miss Sewing here with a quick tip on using YouTube. We'll be using YouTube a lot this year for our video notes. So the tip I want to share with you today is called closed captioning. That's that CC button down here in the right-hand corner. What I've just done is turn on some subtitles in the English language, and I'll show you what I mean using one of my favorite TED Talks.
Hello. I'd like to show you guys 30 seconds of the best day of my life. So that was El Capitan in California's Yosemite National Park. And in case you couldn't tell, I was climbing by myself without a rope, a style of climbing known as free soloing. That was the culmination of a nearly decade-long dream. And in the video, I'm over 2,500 feet off the ground. Seems
Alex Honnold might be one of the greatest athletes alive today. I'll be mentioning him in class at other times, but hopefully you got the idea here. Sometimes when videos are talking at you, things can move a little quickly, and it's nice to see the text on the screen. My second tip here is you can change the language from English to pretty much anything else. If you go to the little wheel button down at the bottom, click on subtitles /CC, you're going to see a lot of languages to choose from. You can even auto-translate, although this one gets a little less accurate. So I'm going to go ahead and press on, where'd it go? Press on Spanish. We're going to see that the language has changed, and I'll play the video a little bit longer.
scary? Yeah, it is. Which is why I spent so many years dreaming about soloing El Cap and not actually doing it. But on the day that video was taken, it didn't feel scary at all. It felt as comfortable and as natural as a walk in the park, which is what most folks were doing in Yosemite that day.
Hope those two tips helped you out for video notes in the future this year. That's it for today, y'all.